every TV in the house that we've got is a Samsung, and basically I really do like Samsungs. However, this is my son's that he got for I think it was for Christmas, and what we've been trying to do is sort him out with some Bluetooth headphones. So it doesn't have a Bluetooth chip in it, so I had to get an adapter. So I bought the Bluetooth adapter, came to fit it, and I couldn't do because there's no auxiliary connector for it. There's no jack plug to connect basically anything to. So not only is there no Bluetooth, they've taken away the auxiliary socket, so you can't connect anything to it. You can connect things that are going into it, but there's nothing for it coming out. I'll just go through that in a little bit more depth for you. Right, so here we've got all the connections on the back. Obviously, down at the bottom, you've got your antennae, your AV socket, your aerial basically. Then the blue and the yellow ones there, they're only for component ins and AV ins, and you've got adapters for various things. So you can put a video connection in there, a left-right connection in, but it's all going in. You've got your LAN connection there. You're going to have it wired, although it is wireless. You've got a number of HDI ports in there that we're using at the moment. You've got a couple of USBs up at the top. And then the only out that I can find is the digital optical out here, which is great, but nothing has a digital optical output to it. Everything's got an auxiliary audio jack and nothing else. So this is what I've had to do to correct it. This is the only thing that I've found that can do it, and I was surprised that I actually found something. So it's the Neoteck digital audio converter. It basically converts your optical into a headphone, and you can have your left and your right, or a headphone socket. Obviously I just want a headphone socket, because at the end of the day, this is my Bluetooth sender unit and receiver unit. There's my auxiliary cable, my power cable for it, so obviously just a micro USB, but nowhere to plug that into the TV. Easy enough to plug into there, because that's how it should be, but nowhere to plug it into the TV. So what I've had to do is get this. There's your digital audio connector there. That simply goes into the back, when I find the right way. So that clicks into there like that, which is nice and straightforward. You've got your power connector there, which just goes in. Right, now let's get this connected up to the TV and I'll show you. It's just a case of connecting everything up. So you get the other end of the cable, pop that into the digital audio output. There you go, that's in there. Then get the power supply, which is just your standard USB. That can go into any USB power point. So there we go. And then this should be, right, and the lights on it to show that it's up and running. And then all it is just a case of connecting up to the headphone output. And it's as simple as that. That's cost, I think it's about £17. But it's actually worth so much more than that, because now this is the only thing that we can use to get audio out of the TV. So worth every penny. Really, really good buy. And that's it, all done and dusted. So Bluetooth sender stroke receiver can now plug into the headphone socket that's on the digital audio output converter, so that I can use it with Bluetooth headphones, or my son can use it with Bluetooth headphones.